Oh, the battery's going down. What's up? What's cracking with y'all, man? What's up with the Top Shelf Click, nigga? Guess what today is, nigga? First off, I gotta go get a car wash. But it's their second day of school. What's up, little mama? I missed y'all first day, huh? But it's this Sleepy Monster's first day. Hey, Sleepy Monster. Ha! She's out of there. So it's the first day of school for little mamas. Second day for them, but daddy was tired yesterday, huh, girls? We wasn't doing no vlogging yesterday. I didn't do no vlogging. I did react. I just didn't get a chance to edit it and drop that thing. So y'all gonna get that today. There's one video I can't wait to react to. That shit gonna be hilarious. But I don't know. My baby's back in school. As you can see, we belling up King Boulevard, all through the soil, all in the hood. And that's just how I wanted to intro this one off today. First day of school vlog. Love y'all. See y'all in a little bit. Bye, girls. You ready for your first day of school? Huh? You ready for your first day of school, little mama? I know you is. So now we going to my little first grader school. And she can't wait for school. And she gonna have so much fun, huh? 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 You gonna have fun at school? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna go put the camera in the car, okay? Come on. What's cracking with the TSC? Hope y'all can see me good. Not sure if y'all can. I'm about to order me something to eat. I'm fucking hungry as a motherfucker. I don't even know if y'all can hear me like that. I got the air on. I know that shit gonna be all in the microphone, but hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm finna order me, y'all know I'm on my health shit right now. I'm about to order me one of them, some shit. Fuck, it's my goddamn. Oh yeah, it's on. Sometimes I'll be forgetting to turn the mic on. Y'all just gonna see my lips moving. What the fuck? Anyway. I'm hungry as shit. Yeah, that's good. I'm finna order this motherfucking, I don't know, wrap or whatever from Mendocino Farms. I tried that shit yesterday. That shit was so bomb. I gotta have that shit again. It's healthy as fuck though. So that was that. My Impossible Taco Salad. That shit finna be bomb. Of course I'm gonna show y'all. I think I'm gonna ride one of these little birds there though. Yeah, matter of fact, let me strap on the GoPro. We gonna get on the bird and we're gonna go on a little mission. Y'all stay right there. Let's hope this work right. What's up with the TSC, man? My bad, y'all. I know y'all gonna grill me. It's like 3 different days of vlogging, man. Hold up, is the sound on? Yeah, the sound on. I already know y'all gonna kill me, man. What's up, though, man? I'm finna go head to the motherfucking barbershop and probably go get me. I had to check back, make sure the police wasn't right behind me when I sparked that blunt. Cause it bigger swooped right up on me while I was rolling the blunt. I was like, oh shit, here we go. And all them niggas did was reverse into a parking spot and go to some other apartment building. Ain't that some crazy shit? Anyway, what's up, y'all? Top of the motherfucking morning. The other day was first day of school for the babies. Then, hey, did y'all see yesterday when I stole that bird? That shit was crazy than a motherfucking. I was walking around the whole motherfucking city looking for one of them little lime or them bird scooters and couldn't find one. So I was like, all right, fuck it. Niggas had them in their apartments. I said, I know what I'm gonna do. I hopped in my car, went circling around looking for one. I found one, I threw that bitch in the car, then went and parked. Joke's on me though, that motherfucking battery was low. I couldn't even use it. But I'm finna go to Jimmy John's, get me an all veggie. Oh, nigga, I didn't even show y'all because I was mad about the camera situation and all that shit yesterday. I went to this spot called Mendocino Farms. Nigga, I got some shit called a taco salad, but I had to make it into a wrap. Shit was bomb as a motherfucker, nigga. It was the bombest salad I ever had in my life, bro. For real. And it was made like into a wrap, so it was really like a little burrito salad. No meat. It was fire though. What's up, man? I really want another one today, but I don't want to eat the same thing 3 days in a row. Cause I ate that shit yesterday and the day before, and that shit was fire both times. I think I'll save it for Friday. But what I'm finna go do now is I'm finna go turn the air conditioning on in the shop, then I'm finna go to Jimmy John's. Unless I look up somebody already there, that mean the air conditioner already turned on, and I'm finna go get me something to eat real quick. What y'all on? Hopefully something cracking happened today. And I'll see y'all niggas. I'll see y'all in I gotta stop cussing. I'm working on the cussing, my bad, bro. I'm gonna work on that cussing. Love y'all. Let's see what's cracking.
Veggie cup, no cheese, no tomato, no mayo, with onions, hot peppers, Dijon mustard, sauce, oregano. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, as long as it's the same sandwich.
There's a core, right? You still want veggie? It was veggie, right? Alright. You could do a second salad.
I'm not gonna lie, I hate when people do that. If I go in a place, I order the same thing all the time. I rarely switch up. Sometimes I switch up, sometimes I don't. So when I go in, I order that same thing all the time. So when I go in and I order what I always order, y'all heard her try to switch up my order, and I hate that shit. Don't try to, all right, look, you can switch it up and count it however you want to count it. As long as I get the same result, I'm all good. But don't switch up my shit and start talking and then I get a different shit. I hate that shit. Like, I understand she was trying to make it a little cheaper for me, which makes sense, but you know, I order it that way all the time. That nigga coming from Jimmy John's now with his bike, man. Them niggas get that shit to you quick though. That's one thing I could say about Jimmy John's, nigga. You order a Jimmy John's sandwich, the niggas be at your door before you finish the motherfucking order. Sorry for cussing, bye. Little Jimmy John's commercial. They better not copyright strike me for that background music. Had to get the chips. Fuck what y'all talking about. Right little sandwich. That look fire too. No meat, all veggie. Let's get it.